Welcome to Salient Training's Job Aid videos. In this segment, we're going to cover the basics of upgrading your CompleteView deployment to a newer version of our software. Keeping your system upgraded ensures that you always have our most stable software release and any new features or improvements that come with it. The process is simple, and we're going to give you a checklist to follow so you never miss a step. So let's get started. Now, the checklist for updating your servers is short, and the first few steps can be completed in any order, but they need to be done before you push out updates to your recording servers. The first steps include downloading the update files and updating your management server to the new version. Then you'll update to the new version of the desktop client. This is an optional step for your regular users, but highly recommended for any admin user of CompleteView. Once that's complete, request feature keys for the new CompleteView version and add them to your recording servers. Then when those steps are done, all you have left is to push the recording server update through the maintenance panel. To get started on the process, we'll download our installation files and do a quick management server update. Now, updating your management server is a simple matter. You can either remote in or log on directly to your management server, and once you're there, visit the Salient website at www.salientsys.com, and once you're there, select Login to access the My Salient portal. Enter your credentials and your password, and when you've logged in, select the software downloads from your dashboard. From there, choose the correct version of CompleteView that you're going to upgrade to, and then download your management server executable by selecting the download icon. Fill out the installation type and target, and then submit, and the download will automatically begin. While you're here, we also recommend that you download the desktop client installer and your recording server bin file to update your recording server. Once the management server installer is downloaded, locate your downloaded installation files and run the CompleteView management server executable. Follow the installation prompts, accept the end user license agreement and the default directory. There should be no change needed for your SQL server, so select Install. Allow the restart of the application so the install can complete. And when everything is done, select the Finish button. Now that your management server has been updated, you can update your desktop client. While this is an optional step if you're using CompleteView version 7 or higher, it's highly recommended for admin users to have their client and management server running the same software version. For standard users who only interface through Live View, Alarm View, Playback, and Dashboard, a previous release of the version 7 desktop client is usually fine. To update your client, locate the downloaded installation files from Salient and run the desktop client installer on the local machine where your current client is installed. Follow the installation prompts, accept the end user license agreement, choose Next on the default directory, and for the video wall agent, installation is optional and it should only be installed on workstations that will utilize the video wall feature. If you use that feature on your workstation, check the box. Otherwise, select Next and the installation will run. And when the installation is complete, select the Finish button. Now that both your management server and desktop client have been updated, you'll want to request recording server feature keys for the new CompleteView version and add those keys to your recording servers. You can request new feature keys by sending the product ID of each recording server to licensing@salientsys.com. This can be done individually for each server, but if you have a large number of recording servers, we recommend using the CompleteView licensed distribution utility. In the video description below, you'll find links to some of our other training videos that will help you use either method. Once your feature keys have been added to your recording server, it's time to push the recording server update. To push an update to your recording servers, log into your deployment as an administrator, and then select the Maintenance module. From there, make sure you're on the Update window, and you should see a list of any recording servers that are attached to your deployment. If you don't see any servers, select the All Servers option in the nav menu, and they should appear in the Update window. From the list of your servers, verify that the available feature keys match the version that you're upgrading to. In this demo, I only have one recording server on my list, but when you push updates to multiple servers, we recommend that you start with a few servers at a time, and if those are successful, you can slowly increase the number of simultaneous push updates. After selecting your server, click on the Update button, and use the Windows Explorer to navigate to the saved location of your recording server bin file that you downloaded from the Salient website. Select the bin file and choose Open. The update will start immediately, and you'll see the status in the columns on the right side of the window. When the update progress finishes, you'll see that your recording server successfully started after the update. Next, select Configure from your modules, and then choose that recording server from your list, and then push a save to that server. And now the update process on this server is complete. And with that save, that completes the update process for a recording server. With those same steps, you can easily update the rest of the recording servers in your deployment. Just select the other recording servers from the maintenance panel list and push out the update. Also, if you've upgraded to CompleteView version 7 or higher, make sure to register that deployment with the free tier of Salient Cloud, which adds your deployment to your My Salient dashboard, and that provides live tracking of warranty dates, license counts, specific system details for all of your Salient deployments. There's a link in the description below that will help you with the video to set it up. And that's all there is to upgrading your CompleteView deployment. If you found this video helpful, follow us for more job aid and user training videos. If you have an idea for a future video, let us know by sending an email to training@salientsys.com. Thanks for watching.